When it comes to measuring the ROI of your digital marketing, it can be challenging to get the whole story. While it's easy to measure vanity metrics, such as impressions and clicks, it's much harder to measure success back to your actual reservations and revenue. Using marketing tracking in GuestCenter, you can generate URLs with parameters that track and measure your OpenTable reservations from digital channels, such as your website, email, Facebook, Google, and Instagram. You can also measure your reservations at the campaign level. So if you're running a Mother's Day campaign, for example, you can track that by channel and campaign too. There's no limit on how many URLs you can create. Just copy and paste them to your digital platforms to complete your setup. With free POS integration, you also measure your digital marketing spend to your actual reservations and revenue from GuestCenter reporting. This gives you the power to optimize your marketing budget and plan future campaigns. Get started using marketing tracking at guestcenter.opentable.com.